Logging on to an application with the proper role-based ID is essential to ensuring that the user ID being used for the test has proper credentials to execute the steps in the test. This way you validate authorizations and functionality in the same test. This video shows the recommended best practices for certified configuration and the detailed steps for the web logon utility process. While the example in the video is based on SAP Fiori, it applies equally well to all web applications.
Hi, let's learn how to develop a utility process based on roles for any web application. Before proceeding with the development of login utility process, certain settings need to be configured. To verify this, navigate to Certify Configure menu and select Web Options. And make sure to select the Application Preset Radio button. Next, go to the Application Preset tab to confirm that appropriate application presets have been created, showing the associated technologies for the selected application. For instance, in this demonstration, we'll use SAP Fiori as an example, and this applies to any AUT intended for automation. Ensure that the context timeout is set for each technology under resolution settings. Set the default maximum seconds for object matching to 10 seconds and for window 30 seconds. It is not necessary for this time to be always 10 seconds or 30 seconds. You can adjust them depending upon the application under test. Next, proceed to build the logon utility process. The initial step involves closing the browser and utilize a DOS command based on the automation browser. Following the browser closure, load the browser with URL, concatenate the URL with in private to launch the application in incognito mode. This method prevents previous session logins. While various methods exist to prevent prior sessions, launching in incognito mode is one approach. Next, include the steps to maximize the screen and handle restore pages pop-ups. Lastly, incorporate the steps to enter username, password, and initiate login, followed by the verification step to verify the expected home page or relevant page. In conclusion, when implementing a role-based login utility process, consider utilizing role or environment as a record set filter when integrating this process into any end-to-end scenario. So this is an example illustrates a straightforward and effective approach to developing role-based logon utility process for any web applications. Thank you.
Thank you. We hope you have found this short video to be helpful and informative. Please visit us online and on LinkedIn.